oh, there's Uncle B coming at you again. Then you know it's pipe smoking time. It's pipe smoking time as it is. But today, I'm just gonna be cleaning a couple of my pipes that I just smoked. And my daughter brought my tamper here, so I can open it up, you know, and play on my bowl. And also have these brushes. And use these brushes also. Very good for cleaning your pipes. Okay? And also this right here. And my daughter have if you got long stem pipes, this thin piece of metal is good to go through and unclog anything, right? But what I like to do, okay, there's a plate. Give me that. It's my daughter's little backpack. She likes for me to keep my tamper in her backpack. And she likes to give it to me when I need it. So, what I like to do is, first I gotta clean it. I gotta take the excess of herbs out of my pipe. And my earpiece. I'm in my backyard. So you can hear the cars going by. It's a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Oh, let me show you how beautiful the sky is today in Las Vegas. Oh, check that sky out. Isn't that beautiful? It's relaxing. It's beautiful. And the green trees. This is Vegas now. This is Vegas. And this is beautiful. Beautiful. So, I'm going to empty out my my bowl. Scrape around it, empty it out. This one. This one. No, I don't need one. So, scrape out my bowl. Blow it out. Kind of clogged up a little bit. I'm going to take this loose here. Do the same thing to the other one here. I'm going to scrape out the bowl. And these are very like small bowls. So they don't last that long. Maybe about 10 minutes. You might get 10 minutes pipe smoking, right? I like to take them loose. Carry on. Okay, go put this in the garbage can. Wait. Here, go back. Okay, go put it in the garbage today. Now. Ariane, go bring Daddy some tissue. I like to take these different brushes. Different brush for different sizes of your pieces. This in here, yes. So this will go all the way through, right? And I pull it out. Clear. Anything in there? Oh, it's all done. It's all good. So when I do that, I go to the other side also. Clear. Another mouthpiece. I like to put this tissue inside my bowl, right? Clean out my bowl. Okay. Blow it out. I also like to use a brush or here too. find the right size brush. Right? There you go. This brush here, put it inside. Clear. Clear bowl. Now let me I can take these two loose here, right? I'm just gonna touch. Here.
I want to try that. I want to try.
I did. I can try some other time.
Huh?
Why don't you try it next time?
Why don't I try next time?
I don't want your hands to get dirty.
It's summer somewhere, crack open the rosé. To be honest, I like it better than champagne. When the weather is warm and the days are long. It's summer somewhere, I'm already gone.
Go inside. Go inside. Have to go inside.
It's summer somewhere, they're bathing in the sun.
And now this here
Sits on a towel,
was really flawed.
started to run. When the sand is high and the waves are right. It's summer somewhere, I'm leaving tonight.
Oh, clear.
Spinning Ferris
These
wheel
brushes work really good.
lights. Come on, baby, hold on tight. Take off your coat, someday you'll find
Tissue
summer somewhere in your
brush a
mind.
little bit. And you can clean these brushes with some palm olive dishwasher liquid. Clean them right up. Oh, clear. Real clear.
Put on your cutoffs, go out on the town. When the weather is warm and the nights are long. It's summer somewhere, I'm already gone.
All the way through.
Spinning Ferris wheel
Just go all the way through. Okay?
Come on, baby, hold on tight.
So you know it's clear.
Take off your coat.
Clear there.
Someday
Piece here.
you'll summer somewhere in your mind.
Clear. Yes. Back together. Clear. And I like to do, oh, I did that. This bowl here. Goes all the way in there. Stuff falling out. Stuff that was stuck in there, right? Clear bowl. Clear bowl, right? You can hear it. But then also take some tissue. Put it inside the bowl here. Clean it out. Blow it out. Hear that? Put the metal top back on. Back on here. Metal top. Put my mouthpiece back on. Clear and clean. Clear and clean. Another one. Here, clear. Clear. Put it back together. Oh, good. So that was Uncle B cleaning my pipes. Letting you know certain things that I use. Some people might use different things, but like I say, if I have a long stem, which I have a piece of thin metal I can push through there just to make sure it's unclogged. I have my different brushes I use. Clean them out. I can also use the brush. I can use the brush for here. Also. Oh, this is Hershey bar. My wife bought me for my birthday because she loves, I love chocolate. So my daughter wanted a little bit of it, so I'm gonna give her a little bit. So I broke off her some chocolate. She loves chocolate. No, that's enough. That's it. Okay, go take this back. Get that back to me. Yeah. She loves chocolate just as much as I do. And there are some healthy benefits for chocolate, you know. So, I'm gonna be coming at you. Now you know how I clean my pipes after I finish smoking. And have a great day. If you would be so kind to subscribe to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Yes, sir. Have a great day.